The Ultra Spill Deck bladder systems are a one-of-a-kind, patented spill containment system for 1, 2, or 4 55-gallon drums. An optional ramp is quickly clipped onto the side of the spill deck for easier loading and unloading. Because of its low profile, 5 3/4 inch height, loading and unloading is much easier and safer compared to taller spill pallets. In the event of a spill or leak, liquid is captured first in the spill deck sump. If a larger, more catastrophic spill should occur, the bladder will automatically unfurl, providing an additional 55 gallons of containment. After the spill has been captured, spilled contents can be easily removed using a pump. Once spilled contents have been removed, discard bladder appropriately and replace it with a new one. To attach the bladder to the spill deck, first remove the grate. Next, unscrew the nut from the bulkhead fitting on the bladder, keeping in mind that it has left-hand threads. Carefully cut the label that holds the access door closed during shipping. Next, cut the rubber bands that are around the two ends of the rolled-up bladder. Install the bladder attachment by putting the bulkhead fitting through the pre-drilled hole and hand-tightening the nut on the other end. Once the bladder has been installed, close the access door and your spill deck bladder system is now ready to be used.